his room in the ACQ College of Ministry is the most lavish so far. Next slide. With a jacuzzi to boot. And that is surrounded by rooms of women. Adjacent to it is a room for a woman we have not yet identified. Res ipsa liquitor, the thing speaks for itself. One of the many rooms of Apollo Kibuloy with a private cinema. They didn't show it to you. There is information that that room on the center, on the second row, on the bottom, second row, that's the room of Mr. Kibuloy. We are not allowed to search it properly. How about if there's a trapdoor there leading to a basement or leading to a tunnel? So we really need to access the tunnel or the basement in some other way. They will not allow us to go there, sir.
But napicturean ninyo, meaning napasok ninyo yan.
Yes, sir.
O sa na-search ninyo.
But we were not allowed to search it properly.
Ha?
We were not allowed to search it. Makita, sir, mamaya kung paano nila kami sinasamahan sa search. Makikita niyo, sir, kung paano namin ang search na pinagawa sa amin, sir, na inalaw kami.
O,
Now, here's the cathedral. Ayaw kami papasukin dito before. Eventually, sa kakulitan namin and saka gagamit ng diplomasiya, we found this door. Going to the lounge of Apollo Kibuloy. And again, he has a bedroom in the cathedral. Wala naman kami sinasabing kung ano man, but he has a bedroom in the cathedral.
yes, napasok ko yan
Next slide.
kanina.
Next slide, please. So, dito, sir, obserbahan niyo yung aso. Aside from the technical equipment, ito ho ang aso nang pumasok dyan. Tingnan niyo yung aso sa lower right. Scratching the floor, indicating that there's life beneath. Rescue dog yan, sir. Naghahanap yan ng mga taong trapped under the rubbles. Tingnan mo, sir. Unless na indicator yun, sir, ng positive. Na may naaamoy siya sa ilalim ng carpet. Ito sa baba naman, sir, makikita nyo, magtatatahol naman yung aso na yan, sir. Unless na naturuan ng aso.
O bakit wala kayo nakita?
Hindi pa namin, sir, nabubutas yan, sir.
Ha?
Hindi pa namin nabubutas
Bakit
yan.
hindi nyo binutas?
Bubutasin natin, sir.
Ha?
Later on, sir. This, sir.
O,
Hindi namin.
Yan, prolonging the agony. Nakita mo na yung nagkakuha na yung aso, signaling positive presence ng life to sa ilalim. Bakit hindi na nyo kagad naksyonan?
Hindi pa kami, sir, nakakapapas. Diyan, sir, kasi cathedral yan, sir. Take into consideration the sensibilities of KOJC. Hindi namin, sir, gagawin yung butas yan, sir, na kasinlaki nung ginawa namin sa basement. Because if they will allow us, we'll
If you
enter a drilling
if you
machine.
really want to arrest Pastor Kibuloy,
Yes, sir. We'll use...
13 days na eh. Bakit hindi nyo ginawa yan?
Makita naman natin, sir, yung resistance on the first 1 week na talaga, sir, na we cannot bring in the equipment that we need. They really want, they stop us, yung sinasabi nila, sir, na x-ray. Kita mo, sir, pati ang pickaxe, hindi namin maipasok ng basta-basta. Next slide.
Well, as if
Assessment.
you're trying to impute malice. You're trying to impute malice because, you know, yung bathtub na yan, regardless kung gaano kamahal yan, kaya nga niya bumili ng aeroplano eh. Kaya nga niya bumili ng helicopter eh. So,
Sir,
nung
the warrant of arrest had already been issued by a judge on charges of sex with a minor.
so,
That means, sir, that the rooms that we are searching is really the room of Apollo Kibuloy based on all the indicators. Kaya lang, sir, tagus-tagusan ng mga kwarto, tagus-tagusan ng mga pinto. Kailangan namin, sir, i-search on our own terms,
But
not on the terms of...
you agree with me that all you are saying are all theories.
Yes, sir, of course.
Kasi,
Sir,
have you seen Pastor Apollo Kibuloy making sex with the children in that bathtub?
We are not saying,
Wala naman, di ba?
we are not saying it, sir. It's in the warrant.
Because you are trying to impute malice in your statements.
No, sir. I'm not imputing malice. I'm just
Well,
reading what
hindi
is
naman-
in the...
I was not born yesterday. The way you deliver your statement is trying to impute malice.
What I'm saying, sir, is that the evidence that we see is supporting the warrant of arrest for sex with a child, sir.
Okay, you're free to make your own assessment. But I am also free to, as the chairman of this committee,
Yes, sir, of course.
that's what I observe from you. You're trying to impute malice on the subject without the absence of actual sex happening in that bathtub. Huh?
I think the
Oh,
actual sex happening, sir, was already discussed and already studied by the judge. That's why he asked for he issued a warrant.
Diyan nangyayari?
No, sir.
Okay. Oh.
We're not implying
Hindi
that
nangyayari
it's
dyan.
from the bathtub, sir. What I'm saying, sir,
I'm not lawyering for Pastor Kibuloy, ha?
so, ayan, sir, ang mga indicators na hindi namin pwedeng i-ignore. So, again, that's what I said before. We'll drill holes in there, sir, with the approval of the with or without the approval of the GMC. But we want to leave a very small footprint. We want to bring in a borehole drilling machine, which will only make a 4-inch or 6-inch hole where we can put down our telescopic cameras to ensure to inspect what is beneath, maybe 10 meters below the ground. Yan, sir, kahol ng kahol. So, hindi naman pwede namin paulit-ulitin yan, sir, because the dog will, may mga restrictions din ang pagpaulit-ulit sa aso at masisira rin ang kanyang, masisira ang kanyang training pag paulit-ulit na lang na wala kaming ginagawa. Next slide, please. So, general observation. These are our general observations, sir. The most common refrain of KOJC in preventing or delaying searches is, quarters na mga babae yan. And we have heard it a while ago from one of our resource persons na puro daw mga quarters na mga babae. And true enough. Next. And true enough. We find bedrooms of women surrounding the bedroom of Popolo Kibuloy. Next slide, please. In these 3 areas that we search, we observe that Kibuloy's room is the only man's room in these areas. I would like to ask KOJC to tour you on those facilities in the ACQ College of Ministry, in the cathedral, in the first floor of the GMC building, in the dormitory of the pastorals, if there are other men living in that area. And show to you, to August senators and reporters, if there are really other men living in that area aside from Kibuloy, in the midst of women.
What are you trying to imply?
I'm trying to imply, sir, that the warrant, especially this warrant in branch 106, for violation of section 5P of RA 7610, that reads, the charges, the warrant is subsisting on August 8, issued on August 8, and signed by Judge Noel Parel. Pasensya na kayo, sir. Affected ako, sir, sa mga ganitong klaseng warrant, sir. The charges is, the warrant was issued for violation of section 5B of RA 7610 that reads, those who commit an act of sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct with a child exploited in prostitution or subject to other sexual abuse. The law, sir.